Shopping for clothes in English can feel tricky. Sizes, colors, fitting rooms, discounts, returns. In this lesson, I'll walk you through a real store conversation from start to finish. You'll hear natural phrases for asking sizes, trying items on, talking about fit and fabric, comparing prices, and paying, so you can shop confidently anywhere. Let's go.
Hi there. Welcome. Can I help you find something today?
Hi. Yes, I'm looking for a casual dress for the weekend.
Great. Any preferred length or color?
Knee length, maybe blue or green. Nothing too flashy.
Got it. What size do you usually wear?
Medium, though sometimes small depending on the brand.
Here are a few new arrivals. This one has a relaxed fit.
I like this print. Do you have it in small?
That one is more fitted. Let me check. Yes. Here you are. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
Down that aisle on the left. I'll unlock a room for you.
The small fits, but it feels tight on the shoulders.
No problem. Try the medium. It has a bit more room in the upper body.
The medium feels better. How does it look?
It looks great. Nice shape and length. Want to check another color?
Do you have this in emerald green?
Yes. Here it is. The fabric is the same, just a different dye.
What fabric is this?
It's a cotton blend with a little elastane, breathable with some stretch.
How should I wash it?
Machine wash cold. Gentle cycle. Lay flat to dry to keep the shape.
Good to know. Does it wrinkle easily?
Not much. The blend helps.
How much is it?
It's $49.99, and today we have 20% off selected items.
Nice. What's your return policy?
This dress is included. Exchanges or refunds within 30 days with receipt. Items must be unworn with tags.
Perfect. Do you offer alterations?
We can adjust hem length for a small fee. It takes 2 to 3 days.
I'm looking for a casual dress. Do you have this in small medium? Where's the fitting room? It's tight loose on the shoulders waist. What fabric is this? How should I wash it? Do you have any discounts today? What's your return policy? Cash or card? Can I get a digital receipt? Do you have a loyalty program? Nice job. Now you can shop for clothes in English, from asking sizes to paying at the counter. Practice these phrases out loud and try them in your next shopping trip. Write a short shopping dialogue in the comments. Tell me your size, color, and how it fits, and I'll give you feedback. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with a friend.